Hi, this video is a video of the before and after on a patient who have had a hair transplant done by me, Dr. John Diep. This patient had a hair transplant done before. This is him before, and this is him afterward with excellent result. And this is him right now. Before we go further, I want you to go up to my website, www.mhtaclinic.com, 866-999-6482. So getting back to here, as you can see, and we had around 1,000 hair graft done with excellent result. It's very natural, and this is his hair, and he grew. Let me show you. It's a very good result. Done.